A March for Unity. In the spring of 2020, students of color at Lynden High School began to discuss the discrimination they faced daily. Frustrated and eager for change, they decided to stage a march from their school to City Hall to bring their voices to the forefront. One student proclaimed with determination, "We need to do this. People need to know what we go through every day." Her classmate was worried, "But what if they don't listen? Or worse, what if they push back?" But another student was more optimistic. "They will. And even if they don't, we'll make them hear us. We have to try." The students created signs and prepared speeches. Word of the march spread quickly. To their surprise, the students garnered the support of 600 community members. On the day of the march, the students and their supporters gathered with a mix of hope and apprehension. However, they were not the only ones to show up. A group of counter-protesters arrived in loud pickup trucks, carrying flags and blaring music. They yelled, "All lives matter! Go back to where you came from!" The counter-protesters were determined to drown out the students' voices and deny the existence of racial prejudice in their town. The students continued to march, holding hands and chanting while the counter-protesters tried to interrupt. The leader of the march spoke first. "We are here today to say that enough is enough. We deserve to feel safe and respected in our own community." The words echoed through the crowd, igniting a spark of hope and unity among the attendees. As chants filled the air, the counter-protesters became increasingly agitated. Yet the students stood firm, drawing strength from one another. They began to chant louder, their voices harmonizing in a powerful chorus for justice. The aftermath of the march left the community divided. However, it also sparked the formation of Racial Unity Now, or RUN, a group dedicated to promoting racial understanding and equity in North Whatcom County. We can't let this end here. We need to keep pushing for change, for our community, and for future generations. Over the next 4 years, RUN initiated numerous events and programs to educate and unite the community, fostering a spirit of understanding and inclusivity. The community gathers for an annual Flavors of Community event, celebrating different cultures with food and performances. Together we can make a difference. A March for Unity became a movement for change. We've come a long way, but there's still so much more to do. This is just the beginning. While the road to racial equity is long and challenging, the efforts of these students and community members serve as a powerful reminder that change is possible when people come together.